6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. We're going to get right into it because we have a dish that's going to use up every minute of the 30 that I want to cook this meal in. So we're making a garlic and Parmesan risotto, a very delicate dish, which it's going to give me, a little bit of a forearm workout because I'm going to be stirring constantly. So we are going to get right down to it. Let me just give you a quick overview of what's going on here, okay? So I have a lot of chicken broth, all right? I used 2 things of chicken broth here, so I have 8 cups. I got another one on the side just in case, if I need it, okay? I have my rice. I'm doing my 2 cups of rice. I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. I have some parsley. I have 8 cloves of garlic, okay? I got a little bit of onion, okay, like a medium-sized onion. I got a lot of Parmesan cheese. I have about, I think it's like 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. And I'm actually gonna throw in some peas too. So I got some frozen peas that I've been thawing out a little bit. Let's get right into it, guys. I got the chicken broth warming up. So let's get going here, okay? So I'm doing this in a wok today because I want you guys to try to be able to see what we're doing here. Say hi, this is one of the mini guineas.
Hi, my name is
Okay, good. So look, I got in this pot right here, I have, oh, Morgan! Okay, please watch your step. Okay. Oh, this is real life. All right, so I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a wok here with my butter, okay? Yeah, so if you guys have never cooked risotto before, it's, 1 ladle of chicken broth at a time, mix it in, constant stirring. I got my butter and my olive oil just cooking up here a little bit. Gonna melt that. Hope you like garlic, babe. So if this is your first time, which it seems like, it might be a lot of your first time, at the end of the show, I cook the meal and I give a little portion of the meal to my wife, Michelle, AKA the guinea pig. Babe, you wanna say hi to everybody? There she is. And then she gives me either 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down. 2 thumbs up like excellent, 1 thumb up like good, okay, good. 1 thumb down like, hey, you've had better. Or 2 thumbs down like my dogs wouldn't eat it, right? Got the garlic in here, cooking this up. Okay, gonna just get that nice and fragrant. Cook up my onions. Make sure it's warm. Okay, chicken broth is warm. So we're gonna do a lot of stirring. We're not gonna move the camera that much. Probably the only time we're gonna move the camera tonight is when we feed the guinea pig. And she is, listen, 2 things my wife is, okay? She's brutally honest, number 1. Number 2, she's like a human garbage disposal. Like, she can eat. But if the risotto's not cooked right, I don't know. Okay. Rice is going in. Now we're just gonna sort of brown this. Gonna get my ladle ready. And now this, we're just gonna get this like a little toasty, We're not trying to brown it or burn it or anything like that, but I'm just gonna get it a little toasty. And then what we're gonna do, slowly and steadily, we're going to be adding 1 ladle at a time. You like risotto, babe? Okay. Let's do this. So this is like the excitement of the night here, Stirring up some risotto, a very delicate dish. Lots of stirring, constant stirring, waiting for the chicken broth to get absorbed here, right? So that's the key. So once the chicken broth gets absorbed here, then we add another scoop, just enough to cover the rice, and again, you don't want to cook this on high heat. This is like a low heat kind of thing. But this should be like a real creamy texture, right? It's got to be nice and soft. You can't rush this dish. It's got to come out really nice and soft and creamy. That's the key. I did forget the wine. I should have added it before, but we'll throw it in now, see what happens. You know, the rice has to be nice and soft. It's got to sort of melt in your mouth, right? Like, that's what we're going for here. And if I can get that, if I can get that part, if I can get the creaminess and the sort of the melt in your mouth part, then I think I got a good shot at getting 2 thumbs up. Good. Which one is that? Abby? Come on, show them. They can't see. Yeah, show them. See Abby? Morgan loves taking care of babies.
And Kylie too.
You love taking care of Kylie?
No, Kylie loves taking care of babies.
Kylie's her older sister. The mini guineas.
Everyone knows.
This smells good. It's looking good. Babe, what do you want to talk about?
Nothing.
Stir, stir, stir.
What are the chances that he screws this up?
Let's add another ladle.
Supposed to look like that?
Yeah. Like what? Like soupy like that? Yeah. Well, that's why it absorbs all the
Each rice grain is absorbing water.
chicken broth. Yeah. Chicken broth. You stick to eating. I'll stick to cooking. Okay, we're working through this.
Get hungry.
I know you are. We're working through. This is a delicate dish. Takes time, guys, you know. Don't want to rush this. This is one thing I don't want to rush. Okay, just like a cup of peas. Just a little bit, just to give it some nice, you know, veggies, some nice color. Okay, we are nearing the bottom there. This is just me just doing the risotto dance. A little stir here, a little stir there. You getting hungry, babe? Starving. See, I do that on purpose. She's easy to please when she's starving.
I get hungry.
You do get hangry. I'm gonna taste the rice for the texture. It's gotta cook a little bit. Not much longer though, I promise. Nice, look at that. Beauty! Okay, so this looks pretty good.
A bottle and mac and cheese.
That sounds pretty awesome. This is probably the last ladle here. Alright, so now I'm going to add some parsley. Okay, now my cheese is going in. Oh, smells really good. Show you guys really quick here. Oh, yes. Oh, garlic and Parmesan risotto. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. I think we got a chance. Let's do this. This is ready. Ready to go. Let's see what we got.
Kylie, come down. Can I
Look at how nice this is.
They're glass.
I don't think they can go into it.
Oh,
So,
guinea pig. Let's do this.
It looks very white. Why is it so white?
Because it's
cheese is supposed
Parmesan
to be
cheese.
No, the risotto. Usually it's like a brownish color.
Depends on what kind you get.
Yeah.
Smells good.
Going for two. Going for two.
Going for 3.
How's the consistency?
It's good. It's risotto like.
It's risotto like, right?
Peace.
We have to eat a pig.
Hot.
It's very good.
How's the taste though? All right, look at that. That's awesome, man. Yes. Look, that was a challenging dish. It's not one of these episodes where you're gonna see me bounce around, except at the end when I get 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig.
I got a 2 thumbs up too.
And
so,
it's
that means it's 4 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up. I got 4 thumbs up from the mini guineas, the guinea pigs, all that good stuff on a great, easy, guys, like easy garlic and Parmesan risotto, right? Just a couple of ingredients. Just all it is just stirring it, checking it, tasting it, making sure it's all good to go, and that's it, right? So other than that, guys,
Well done.
all done. Look at that. Tomorrow, do not miss tomorrow. Tomorrow is probably my favorite dish.
Wait, is it true?
My rigatoni bolognese sauce. Probably my favorite dish. So you're not going to want to miss tomorrow's episode of Cooking with the Skinny Guinea.
Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it that. Doing it in the kitchen.
Take care, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
How'd you make this recipe?
I'll tell you later. Goodbye, guys.